guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole Elise here. So today we are going to be doing this Valentine's Day makeup look. It's really weird to think that my first ever YouTube video that I ever put out was a Valentine's Day look, and that was back in, I think it might have been 2012 or 2013. So just the idea that I've been on YouTube for this long kind of blows my mind. It's just crazy. Today I'm gonna be doing this look for you guys. This is my Valentine's Day look that I thought you guys might like. It's very wearable, it's really easy. I basically did this look with a tiny little palette like this, and it's just really achievable. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also come hit that post notification bell so you are notified every single time I post a video. And if you want, come leave a comment letting me know you're new so I can say hello, give you some love. And also come follow me on my Instagram where I'm posting every single day. I show a lot of my style and my fashion, just a lot of my life, some crazy shit that goes on all the time. So definitely come check me out over there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's jump right in. First, I'm gonna start off with the Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just gonna put this all over my lids. So this is the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. It says HG. I don't know why. Should I know why? I don't know. I was really intrigued by this because it kind of reminded me of like the Modern Renaissance palette, but Violet Voss is like a lot more affordable, and I just really liked the tones. I thought it was really cute for Valentine's Day, so I'm actually going to just take this color right here. There's no name for it. Right here, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease just to sort of define that a little bit more. I'm going to use this color right here. It's like this burnt orange, really pretty. I'm not gonna do anything like super crazy because I wanna look just really pretty. I haven't tried so hard, even though I'm like doing eyeshadow, you know what I mean? These eyeshadows are really pigmented too. I will say that. I'm just gonna take this really pretty light pink color, if you guys can see that. And I'm going to just apply this to my lids just to see. Oh, it's actually really pigmented. Oh my god, so pretty. Really cute. Oh my god, so cute. I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of this color right here. I would call it like a plum shade, I guess you could say. It's gonna create a V shape the corner of my eye. Cute. Take a little bit more of that first transition shade, and I'm gonna just throw it up top here, just a little bit. I'm gonna start cleaning this up. The makeup wipe, I'm like, ugh. And you know what actually I'm gonna do is, I was really into this color from the Becca palette. I thought it was really pretty, so I kind of want to do something fun with that and like throw a little bit of hot pink in the crease just to kind of tie the pink on the lid together. It's so cute. Yes. All right, I can't find my eyebrow gel anywhere, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Brow Wiz, and I'll be right back. Now that my brows are on, we're gonna go in with the, yeah, we're just gonna go in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter. You guys know how much I love this. Ooh, there's a hair on my face. It's so good. It makes your skin look so airbrushed, and it's not even like foundation, which is crazy. And I'm gonna take the Illusion Hyaluronic Skin Tint by Hourglass. I've really been liking, you guys know, that Laura Mercier one, but I think I'm going to use this one today with just a dash of this one because the coloring is a little dark on me, and I just like to add like a little bit of this because it's very illuminating, the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. And I'm just going to start putting it on my face. Really hope you guys can't hear the construction that's happening down the road, but I feel like this neighborhood carries sound very far. Ugh, do you guys see this? It's the dent from my sunglasses. That's why I like don't wear my Ray-Bans. I try not to because they seriously make a huge dent in my nose all the time, every time. It takes a day just to get rid of all that. So I'm like, whatever. Because my under eyes have been pretty bad lately, like my lack of sleep has been like on a whole other level. So I'm going to take the corrector. This is in medium to dark bisque. It's a little light for me, but I just feel like it's a really great color to correct with. Like this. Correctors are something you use underneath your concealer. You definitely don't want to just use a corrector on its own because it's there to correct your dark circles. It's not going to be a match to your skin tone. There's obviously like different tones of correctors that suit every skin tone. But this one in particular, I think they have many different shades, so you can find your right one. Next, I'm going to use some concealer. I'm going to use the Magic Away, of course. What's new? Now I think what I'm gonna do is apply some blush to my cheeks because I'm gonna use powder bronzer instead of a cream contour this time. I need to go in with all my cream products first and then I can go ahead and bronze the skin up with other powders or whatever else I need to set. This Bobbi Brown Powder Pink. It's the Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks. And I just think it's a really pretty girly pink, and I think during Valentine's Day, you just want to look really pretty and like girly. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's just me. But look how cute. Like it just gives a really nice flush to the cheeks. And this consistency is really nice because it's super creamy. I don't know if you guys can see in the pot, but like it's just got a really gel-like consistency. So it really melts into the skin. You guys know I really like cream products. So that's like a whole other thing. You want to focus mainly on the apples and then just take the leftover to disperse backwards. That way you don't look like crazy streak, which is what I've learned over time. Take the Hey Honey as usual, and I'm going to swirl it on my finger. It's a really pretty highlight. If you guys have never tried it, I highly suggest you try it out. It's super, super soft and like illuminating. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. For my under eyes, this is what I like to use. You can go ahead and use a setting powder. I'm just really particular with my powders. And I don't like a lot of powders in general, like at all. And I like this one because it's super finely milled and it's like almost traceless on the skin, but it sets it in such a beautiful way that it like gives a very airbrush look. Shine, airbrush, like literally flawless. And then now I'm going to use bronzer. I'm going to use the Becca Ipanema Sun. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've used this, but I really want to I just really want to get that like glowy, bronzy skin. Because we did use this palette on my eyes, I'm going to put some of this on my cheeks just to kind of tie things in, but very lightly because this is a very pigmented blush. So I'm literally just gonna kiss my cheeks with it. We're just gonna finish up underneath the eyes. I'm gonna take the Becca palette and I'm going to go into the bronzer and the blush. I just don't want it to look like I have pink eye. You know what I mean? That's what I'm going in with the bronzer to really warm it up underneath the eye. That's really pretty. I'm gonna take the highlighted shade in here, this one right here, and I'm gonna put this right in my, what is on my face? Inner corner, just to give a little pop. I'm gonna take the darkest shade in this palette, which is this plum color. Curl. Take these Christina WSP lashes. I actually really like these. They're super nice. You can get a pack of them on like Amazon for like $9 for like a bunch of them. Look at my forehead. See this? See those? I just wish it would go boom, boom. The NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder is like the prettiest blush topper. Do you guys see this? I just think it looks so gorge, like just layered on top, like the rest of the Lord Geller. Hit it with some Chill makeup setting spray. Okay, so now that my face is on, I put on some jewelry. I just kind of layered a couple of necklaces, and then I decided to wear this really cute girly like ruched sleeve dress. This is something I would wear with jeans and like a little bit of a heel, just to kind of like feel girly but like still not trying too hard. I feel like jeans kind of tone down an outfit. So that concludes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I thought it was something I just did not expect it would turn out. I'm always just kind of like, I don't really like have an idea of what I'm doing. I just know that I want to do a makeup look, and I just look at a palette and go, okay, I'll just wing something. And that's kind of what happened with this, and I'm actually really surprised by it. So I'm gonna have all products linked down below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to come follow me on Instagram, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.